One of your best-selling books goes directly to the topic that we're going to tackle here, at least to start.
The Oklahoma Highway Patrol has issued an Amber Alert at the request of the Bryan County Sheriff's Department in Durant. Child Chase Reisner, white male, 4 years of age, unknown clothing, Bryan County Sheriff's Department in Durant. Child is Chase Reisner, white male, 4 years of age, unknown clothing description. Suspect is seen. Do not approach and call 911.
Size, you got that. Yeah, but you need
Three Honda Odyssey minivan. Oklahoma tag MOE 711. Mary Ocean Edwards 711.
So of that argument, it's really where it was leading to.
223. Manufacturing.